Whenever I hear or read that some company is releasing a new chip which has the potential of breaking monopoly of NVIDIA from GPU market, I immediately jump to it. And that is why I'm covering this new chip by Microsoft called as Majorana-1, which is primarily geared towards quantum computing but has lot of potential for existing and upcoming AI workloads. Also, I want to be upfront that there is nothing against Nvidia. It is just that I don't want any company to monopolize the GPU market or any market because that is not good for end users and that is not really good for innovation, in my humble opinion. So, before I delve into this chip by Microsoft and why I think that this could be a game changer for AI, I'm very interested about the naming because this name Majorana refers to concepts generally tied to physics and particle size. A Majorana mode is a quantum state in certain systems, such as topological superconductors, where a particle behaves as its own antiparticle, aiding the development of stable quantum bits or qubits as they are called. In the context of Microsoft's Majorana 1 chip, the term denotes the use of materials and conditions that can create and manipulate these Majorana modes, which are crucial for producing stable qubits in quantum computing applications. Now, before I move forward, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video who are Camel AI. Camel AI is an open source community focused on building multi agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws of agents with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. And I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, let's check it out what exactly this Majorana chip is, and I will be showing you different diagrams while I speak. So this Majorana 1 chip represents a significant step in quantum computing, primarily because it is based on Microsoft's innovative topological core architecture. This chip is built using topoconductors, which is a new class of materials designed to effectively create and control Majorana particles. Majoranas are specialized in particles that facilitate more stable qubits, which are critical in overcoming the instability typical in quantum systems. Now, before we move forward, let's have a very quick look in very simple words what is quantum computing. Quantum computing leverages the principle of quantum mechanics to perform computations that would be extraordinarily complex or nearly impossible for classical computers. At the heart of quantum computing are qubits, which can exist in multiple states simultaneously. Unlike classical bits that are either 0 or 1, this superposition, along with entanglement and quantum tunneling, potentially enables quantum computers to solve certain types of problems exponentially faster than classical computers. Now, looking at Majorana 1 from an AI perspective, the implications are fascinating but also currently speculative. Now, this is totally my own take on it, so don't hold Microsoft for this. So, first and foremost, I believe from the AI lens, with the potential to support a million qubits, Majorana 1 could vastly outperform classical GPUs in parallel processing and speed. Many AI workloads, especially in deep learning, require significant parallel processing and massive computation, which a scaled quantum computer could provide more efficiently and in no time as compared to GPU. Another thing is around complex problem solving. Certain AI tasks, particularly those involving complex optimization problems, can benefit from the quantum computational approach. Quantum computers can evaluate multiple possibilities simultaneously due to superposition. This advantage could lead to more efficient algorithm for AI model training and problem solving. Another very promising angle is that Microsoft is already working to integrate quantum computing with existing AI and high performing computing platform in Microsoft Azure cloud. This integration could foster hybrid applications where AI models could harness quantum computing capabilities for specific tasks. And then use cases maybe in the material and drug discovery, because quantum computing's potential to model complex molecular interactions with high precision can significantly accelerate discoveries in materials and pharmaceuticals, field closely tied with AI applications in data analysis and modeling. And last but not least, in my opinion, um, when it comes to model training, this quantum chip could lead to more rapid training of AI models. They could offer entirely new ways to perform backpropagation or other neural network training processes, potentially reducing the time required for model training and evaluation. So maybe the model training these days, which is taking months, could be done in seconds or minutes. Why not? So although these possibilities are contingent on further advancements in quantum computing and may take time to materialize, the Majorana 1 chip sets a promising foundation for these developments. Its topological qubit design offers an approach that could indeed provide substantial breakthroughs once commercial quantum computers become feasible. As these systems are further developed and scaled, the role of quantum computing in accelerating and enhancing AI will become more defined and impactful. Now, all of these images which I have shown you are from Microsoft's website, and I will make sure to drop the link to them in video's description. Now, I'm very keen to hear your thoughts on it, because look, as far as quantum computing is concerned, that is still a bit far off. It is in the distant future for me. You never know. Just like this generative AI emerged from nowhere and took the world by storm, maybe in few months quantum computing will do the same. You never know. But I think this is going to take a bit of a time, especially to become consumer friendly and so that everyone could afford it. But for the larger organizations, for the enterprises, and for the research, I think this could be a real blessing in disguise, because they could train their model very rapidly in parallel, and that could justify the cost of not only Majorana 1 chip but a lot of other use cases. And remember, this is being done by Microsoft. I'll be very keen to know what is the response of companies like uh, Alibaba or maybe uh, DeepSeek. Why not? So let me know your thoughts on it. Very keen to know your thought, because I always learn from your comments. All of you really are doing wonderful job in taking the discussion further. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please, this is a request, please subscribe to the channel, and also share the videos and the channel among your network, because it helps a lot. And that is the only marketing I do. So I rely on you guys to do the marketing of channel, which is growing quite well. So thank you for that. Highly appreciate your support and help.